Hey, welcome back to Life by Abe. I'm Abe, and today we're going to go over the day 2 and 3 of our recent dive trip to Nha Trang with Viet Divers. If you're looking for a great diving experience with a knowledgeable staff who's friendly, outgoing, speaks English, German, and Vietnamese with a local expertise, and they know good food spots, hit up Viet Divers. I'm not sponsored by them. They're just a group of friends that I want to support and kind of bring some attention to their business and help them out a little bit. So if you're in the Vietnam area and you want to look to dive, please hit them up at Viet Divers. I'll put their information on the screen here. All right, so I decided to do a 4 day trip. Day one, I needed to do a little bit of coursework, my perfect buoyancy for my advanced open water. Got that knocked out of the park. And day two and day three, we use it to practice that perfect buoyancy by doing a beach cleanup. You'll see in the video, it's not the greatest water conditions, but that's okay because we were there for a purpose. We were there to work, not so much to look at things, but we did get a chance to do that as well. Please check out the video. If you like this information, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Tell me where you're watching from and where was your favorite place to dive. Until the next time, peace.
Day three headed out boats. Yesterday we did cleanup dive off the beach, and today we're doing a cleanup dive off an island somewhere. Not sure, but it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna have a good time. You probably can't hear me right now because you're in the case and I'm on the boat, but this is what I'm talking about. up a dive. My first Nitrox dive, which was awesome. It gave me more time to stay down below. So it was dope. Went deep, did some cleanup. They came up shallow, and if you see in the video, I saw some soft corals, just gorgeous. Some grasses and some fish. It was cool. This is what it was like on the surface. We're swimming back to the boat. It's just behind us. But just look at this. Nice little island in the middle of nowhere. And